Hello lovely people, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video we are making fried yam recipe. This was so quick and easy to make. Let's get started. So with me here I have my yam and I'm using the Pona type. So I'll go ahead and then divide the yam into two before peeling. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are most welcome. Please, if you like my content, don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button and be part of this wonderful family. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate it all, and God bless you all for using your precious time. You can also follow me on all social media networks. The name is Getty Cooks. Subscription is free. So guys, please enjoy the rest of the video.